Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make diyas with rice flour. If interested, you can join Freehand Painting and other courses online. These handmade diyas stay more than a week. Take 3 teaspoons of rice flour and 1 teaspoon of maida. And take 2 teaspoons of oil. I have taken mustard oil. Now I am taking rose pink food color. Mix them well. Now take water and add as much needed. Mix them well. Make a stiff dough. Now take a round and make a simple diya. These diyas stay more than a week. I am taking another round and making a simple round diya. Again I am repeating the process. 3 teaspoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of maida and green color and 2 teaspoons of oil. And now I have made a round and I am making a duck with this green flour. In same method I have mixed the brown color and I am making the beak of the duck and eyes of the duck with brown color. For more designs in rice flour diyas you can see in Fine Arts and Travel. In that I have used the molds for making designs. These diyas are very easy to prepare at home and they are long lasting. Now I have taken cotton to make the wicks. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art and craft. Keep watching. See you. Bye bye.